Hello, this is a demo of BotCarFightVR 1.0. This is a free game that you can download, and a link will be in the description. The game starts at the lobby. You have to check this to agree to the end user license agreement and press continue. These are the directions. So you run over as many targets as you can. After 5 minutes, all bots die and you get credit if you instigated any damage. So the strategy is to hit as many bots as you can. The HUD shows the number of targets on the top left. Targets are bots with a positive value, so the deer doe is the only bot that doesn't have a positive value, so you don't want to run over the deer doe. And a heavier car or faster speed causes more damage. So there's 3 cars that you can buy: the hatchback, sedan, or SUV. And there's a red and green bot. And then for the animal bots, there's the deer doe, deer stag, fox, pig, and wolf. And the deer doe is not a target because it has a negative value, so you don't want to run over the deer doe. This is the game in the player menu, and this is where you enter level 1 or level 2.